Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on call recording in iPhone iOS 18, and it's really easy and simple. And you need to first understand that Apple doesn't actually offer a native call recording feature, but you can still record using some of these methods I'm about to show you. But first things first, of course, you need to ensure that you're actually complying with legal requirements, because some regions mandate all participants to be informed before recording. So just keep that in mind. I'm just putting that out there. And then, of course, what you need to first try to do is set up a third-party app. You're going to download a reliable recording app like Tape a Call, or you can search up a Rev Call Recorder from the App Store, right? Then you basically want to follow the app setup instructions, including granting necessary permissions and enabling three-way calling for recording. Or what you can also do, guys, you can enable Google Voice call recording. So sign up for Google Voice and link it to your phone number. And in Google Voice settings, you want to enable the call recording feature. And then during an incoming call, what you're going to do is you're going to press the 4 key, the number 4 key, to begin recording. Okay? And then what you can also do, guys, if apps are not an option, you can always put your iPhone on speakerphone and use another device to record the call. And there's also some hardware solutions where you can purchase a call recording adapter. This device basically connects to your iPhone and records calls directly to an external storage, okay? And then, of course, guys, once you've done recording a call, you want to store these files securely using cloud services like iCloud or Google Drive for future reference. And there you have it, guys. That is a clear guide on how to, turn on call recording functionality on your iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.